Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're doing a special unboxing video that I'm really excited to try out, and I could not wait. Finally, it's here today from Polish collaboration with Whzy. This is the Stormbreaker Max CF. This is the big brother. That's the little brother. Size comparison is about 5%. So if you're somebody who doesn't like the small one but loves the shape and design of this mouse, this is your alternative option. Go with the big brother. One thing compared to that one, now this is not the original Stormbreaker, this is the 8K version of it. So this mouse, if you want to try out that mouse, you can go 8K wired and wireless as well, and it's using the web-based software. The old models does not have that capability, unfortunately. If you want to use the web-based software and use the highest polling rate, these are the only two mouses can go, as I mentioned earlier, 8K wireless and wired mode as well. But I don't like that mouse because two reasons why. One reason is that the sides are not solid, and also when I palm grip, I feel a little bit uncomfortable because that middle finger is resting at the edge of the right click, and also that third finger right there is resting that edge, which I don't like it. Hopefully this mouse will do the trick. This mouse is going for $180. You don't have to go nuts. They have a lot of different color options as well, which the one I really wanted to get and they sold out is that false white that has red on the side and I think white at the top with a little bit red flakes. That one looks sick, but you know what? I went with this option because yes, you pay a little bit more, you get a mouse pad that costs $20, but you also get glass feet and also the customized wireless receiver pyramid, which I think looks sick. So I just want to stop yapping over here, because then I'm going to bore you guys to death and show you the product itself. Glass feet, your wireless receiver, which is nice, looks freaking beautiful. The mouse itself, and I'm gonna move this out of the way first. I'm gonna bring it back. I just want to show you guys a really good comparison. Ooh, lottery ticket. Just to show you guys the comparison. Look at that. You can kind of pause the video right here and look at it. I'm gonna go on the sides. So that's the difference. I'm also gonna put it right here. You guys can see it. Now, look at that. Perfect. 45 grams. It is awesome for a large size mouse that weighs that light. Beautiful. Now, the most important test is the sound of the buttons. Shall we proceed? Let me put this, I don't want this thing to drop. Now they both using Armor optical switches. The original one uses Armor mechanical switches. Some people like those better than these. You know, for me, along if the button works perfectly fine and it can perform and does the job, it puts a smile on my face. So now I'm gonna put this at the top right here, and I'll show you what's inside the box. Inside the box, which you get extra mouse feet. Ooh, nice Pono sticker. You get even those dot PTFE mouse feet. USB Type C to USB Type A power cord. And finally, grip tapes, which is awesome. And of course, user guide, how to set it up and all that stuff. Also, you get this little card right here that it has an autograph from Whzy, which is sick. Oh, what did I drop? What did I drop? I dropped something on the floor. I am so rude. And the screwdriver itself, because at the bottom of this mouse, You can reposition the sensor. You want to put a little bit forward, a little bit back. And I'm going to let you know, it really does help a lot, because I was playing around with this mouse, and it's really, they change it away. You can really notice the difference. So this is what comes in the box. I'm going to put this in the side, and I don't want to lose these. It's just crazy for what can you get the price for this mouse. For $180 that you can get all those extra bits right there, extra mouse feet. And you can also get glass if you want to as well, which is shockingly awesome for the price. I know I'm saying that twice away, but just bear with me. And also that the only few mouses that you can use 8,000 wired and wireless, it's like a no-brainer. So I'm really happy to try this mouse. This is going to be super exciting. So I'm going to stop the video right here, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks when it lights up. Stand by. So okay, I got the mouse plugged in, ready to go. And boy, and yes, I did remove the mouse feet, so don't worry about it. Boy, it feels super comfortable and light as hell. As you see, I'm jumping in Black Ops firing range to test it out, but it looks good. And then to show you guys how the software looks, so it is awesome. So any questions you guys want to ask me, you can ask me down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, hasta mañana. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Take care, guys. Goodbye.